Hello, 6th standard. For our civics, I already uploaded with one video for lesson number 1. So today this will be my second video related to lesson number 1. In our first video, we discussed about how 3 children made different types of drawing, and I hope you people have made drawing in this box as well, and it might be completely different from these pictures. Okay, then we started talking about one boy who sells newspaper on road, and one another boy who walks on who rides cycle daily from that chowk, and that boy which sells newspaper, he used to scream out about headlines in newspaper in Hindi or in English. Later, when he came to know about that this boy speaks Hindi, so he started speaking Hindi only with him. So every day on the same time, this boy passes from that area on cycle, and this boy waits for him to talk with him and to give newspaper to him, right? Now, as day by day they started meeting, day by day they started talking about their introduction, and about school, about subject and all, right? So let us continue with, "My name is Samir," he said the next day, and very shyly he asked, "What's your?" It was incredible. My bicycle wobbled. "My name is Samir too," I said. "What?" His eyes lit up. "Yes," I grinned at him. "It's another name for Hanuman's father. You know. So now you are Samir 1 and I am Samir 2. So now they both were having same name, Samir and Samir. This boy is also Samir and this also Samir. So this boy told कि okay, from now onwards you will be Samir 1 and I will be Samir 2. Then he said triumphantly, "Something like that," I answered, and then I held out my hand. "Haath milao Samir 2. His hand nestled in mine like a little bird. I could still feel its warmth as I cycled away. So now they became friend, Samir 1 and Samir 2. So Samir 1 ने उसके साथ शेक हैंड करने की कोशिश की, and when Samir 2 ने उनके साथ हाथ मिलाया तो his hand was completely warm and his hand was shivering like this. Okay, so then finally Samir 1 अपने साइकिल आगे लेकर चला गया. Now the next day he did not have his usual smile for him. "There is trouble in Meerut," he said. "Many people are being killed there in the riots." I looked at the headlines. "Communal riots," it blazed. "But Samir," I began. "I am a Muslim, Samir," he said in answer, "and all my people are in Meerut." His eyes filled with tears, and when I touched his shoulder, he would not look up. So now that boy was not स्माइलिंग प्रॉपरली, और कुछ ना कुछ उनको थोड़ा डिफरेंस लग रहा था एक दूसरे के साथ. मतलब ये जो लड़का था वो थोड़ा हिचकिचाने लगा था इस लड़के के साथ बात करने के लिए. एंड देन नाउ एज दिस बॉयज़ मदर वॉज इन Meerut, तो दिस बॉय वॉज वेरी मच वरीड as he read headlines in the newspaper about communal riots in Meerut. So he was very much upset, and then he further said that he is Muslim Samir. Samir name can be in Hindu or can be in Muslim, both, right? He was not at the crossing the day after, neither the day after nor ever again, and no newspaper in English or Hindi can tell me where my Samir 2 has gone. तो मीरत में जिस तरह से प्रॉब्लम होने लगी तो मे बी समीर अपनी मॉम के पास चला गया होगा. एंड 4-5 days they both met at the same time at the same area, but then finally Sameer though was not present there to meet at all. ओके, सो वो मतलब समीर एक रोज़ उसको देखता था कि कहीं ना कहीं से मुझे आवाज़ सुनाई देगी और समीर दो मेरे साथ बात करेगा, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. एंड फाइनली दे वर सेपरेटेड. नो न्यूज़पेपर वॉज देयर टू टेल about where Sameer Do went. While Sameer Ek is more familiar in English, Sameer Do speaks Hindi. Although they both are more at home in different languages, they still communicated with each other. They made the effort to do so because this was what was important to them. Okay, so they tried to become friend in good way, as Sameer Ek जो था वो English बहुत अच्छे से बोलता था. समीर दो वॉज स्पीकिंग हिंदी वेरी नाइसली. दैट मीन्स दे बोथ वर समवेयर हैविंग डिफरेंट देयर मदर टंग और डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस दे वर स्पीकिंग. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फ्रेंडशिप दे बोथ ट्राइड टू बी फ्रेंड्स वेरी नाइसली. समीर एक एंड समीर दो ऑल्सो कम from different religion and cultural backgrounds. While Sameer Ek is Hindu and Sameer Do is Muslim, different religious and cultural backgrounds such as these are an aspects of diversity. So किस तरह से समीर एक और समीर दो 3-4 दिनों में ही अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए थे. एंड भले रिलीजन अलग था, समीर एक वॉज हिंदू, समीर दो वॉज मुस्लिम, बट देन टू they became good friends with them. They became good friends with each other, and then finally they were separated due to circumstances happened in Meerut. Okay, now in addition to their diverse religious cultural backgrounds, there are other ways in which Sameer Ek and Sameer Do are different from each other. For example, Sameer Ek goes to school and Sameer Do sells newspaper. Now this was again difference. एक डिफरेंस तो यही था कि उन लोगों का जो कल्चर था, रिलीजन था, वो डिफरेंट था. एंड अनदर वन, समीर एक स्कूल जाता था और समीर दो स्कूल नहीं जाता था. समीर दो डिड नॉट हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अटेंड स्कूल. Perhaps you have noticed that there are several people in the area where you live who are poor and who don't have enough to eat to or wear, and sometimes not even a place to live. This difference is not the same as the one we have seen earlier. Okay, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं हमें आज भी ये डिफरेंस देखने को मिलता है. हम जहाँ भी रहते हैं वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे पुअर लोग तो होते ही हैं जिनको मतलब 2 वक्त का खाना भी अरेंज करना इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट, सो दे डोंट सेंड देयर चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल रेगुलरली. हेयर we are talking not of difference but of inequality. Inequality becomes about when a person does not have a resource and opportunities that are available to other persons. तो यहाँ पर inequality का मतलब क्या? कोई रिलीजन या किसी कास्ट की वजह से नहीं, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की वजह से. स्कूल जा सकता है, स्कूल नहीं जा सकता, उसकी वजह से भी inequality देखी जाती है. The caste system is another example of inequality. According to this, society was divided in different groups depending upon the work that people did, and they were supposed to remain in those groups. So caste system भी काफ़ी देखा जा रहा है सोसाइटीज़ में. कई बार तो ऐसे है लाइक यू नो people those who are doing housework, domestic work, that is talking about maids and all. तो एक उन लोगों की कुछ ऐसी सोसाइटी ही होती है जहाँ के सभी घरों की लेडीज़ ये मेड का ही काम करते हैं. वो दूसरे घरों में जाकर या दूसरे वी कैन टेल स्कूल्स में जाकर क्लीनिंग का काम करते हैं. तो वो एक तरह की कास्ट हो जाती है कि ये कास्ट तो यही काम करेगी. ओके, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ये गार्बेज पिकर वाले भी ऐसे ही कास्ट, लाइक वी स्टडीड इन EVS ऑफ 5th स्टैंडर्ड, कि एक कास्ट हो जाती है. तो वो लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि हम कितना भी पढ़ लें, हमें काम तो यही करना है. सो दे इवन गेट देयर डिफरेंट सोसाइटी एंड दे लीव अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वर्किंग opportunities. They live in different societies. Then, so if your parents were potter, you could only become a potter, nothing else. This system was considered irreversible, and because you were not supposed to change your profession, it was not considered necessary for you to know anything more than what you will be needed in your profession. तो वही है, अगर हमारी फैमिली में हर एक जनरेशन पॉटर ही बनते आ रहे हैं तो आई विल ऑल्सो बिकम पॉटर. सो कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे या कहीं ना कहीं पेरेंट्स दे इवन थिंक दिस ओनली कि इफ़ इट इज़ लाइक वी हैव टू मेक अवर चाइल्ड पॉटर, सो वी शुड गिव प्रॉपर नॉलेज अबाउट पॉटर मेकिंग ओनली टू हिम. Okay, about pot making only to him. Why to give any other knowledge to our child? This created the situation of inequality. You will read more about this and other inequalities in the following chapters. तो ऐसी सिचुएशन ही इनइक्वालिटी को राइज करती है, और इसी तरह की इनइक्वालिटीज़ के और एग्जांपल्स हम कंटिन्यू हमारे चैप्टर्स में, कमिंग चैप्टर्स में वी विल गो थ्रू. ओके, I just finished about समीर एक एंड समीर दोज स्टोरी, एंड किस तरह से इनइक्वालिटीज़ प्रिवेल करता है सोसाइटी में, आइदर इट इज़ ऑन कास्ट बेस्ड और रिलीजन बेस्ड. ओके, सो continue with your reading of this chapter, and we will continue ahead in our next in our next video. Okay everyone, take care everyone, and I know we are little slow in our SS, but as this is very first time you all are working with SS, so let us go slowly. Don't worry, we will cover up our lessons, and you will definitely understand these topics easily and well. Okay, so take care everyone, stay at home, stay safe, and study your work regularly. Bye bye.